Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Monideepa Choudhury, and today in this video I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful smoky glitter eyes, and this is so trending right now. This is the perfect night glam makeup tutorial, and so watch this video till the end and you're going to learn so many new things apart from this smoky eyes. So as we all know, a good skincare is a base to a good makeup. So I'm using the Sebamed moisturizing cream. It's very moisturizing and perfect for dry to combination skin. Next I'm using the Eyebrow Cosmetics Photo HD primer, and it's a silicone based primer. So it blurs out all the big pores and it's perfect to hide lines under your eyes. Also best suitable for oily and sensitive skin types. Next for the foundation I'm using M.A.C Studio Fix foundation, and it's in the shade NC30. So now take some amount and don't use entire foundation in one go. Rather, make lots of dot all over your face to hide all your concern areas. Next, spray some setting mist, and with a beauty blender or a kabuki brush, blend in all properly. Make sure to use a damn beauty blender, and if you are like me, like I love using foundation using my kabuki brush, then I use kabuki brush, and then to hide all the harsh lines I go in with the beauty blender. So now let's move on to the concealer. For the concealer I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and it's in the shade C8. Next I'm using the another concealer, and it's from Maybelline New York Age Rewind Concealer, and it's in the shade Caramel. This is perfect to balance out all the lighter shade of concealer, because the Makeup Revolution concealer was a little lighter for me, so I chose this one as it has orange undertone and it will perfectly balance the lighter concealer shade. And this way you can customize your concealer according to your skin tone. Now I'm setting my face with a compact powder from Colorbar. This compact powder will give you a perfectly bright and glowing finish. It has SPF 18, it has vitamin E for nourishment and anti-aging. It's ultra fine, lightweight and super smooth formulation, and it's also oil free. Next I'm using the blush palette, and it's from Makeup Revolution, and it's such a versatile palette. You can see the one palette has both the contour shade, the shimmer shade, the bronzer. Especially you will be getting 2 or 3 varieties of blush according to your skin tones. So this is my newfound love, and this is a contour brush from Wet n Wild. The bristles are really soft and the material is really sturdy. It lights all the powder product really great, and it's so affordable. Moving on to the eyes, let's start with the brows. For the brows, I'm using Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil, and it's in the shade 02 Dark Brown. Now that my brows are done, let's pick my favorite eyeshadow, and it's from James Charles. It's Morphe Artistry palette. From this palette, I'll be choosing these two shades, as it is a brown and a nude shade, as my transition shade. As I'm done with my transition shade, let's move on to the next step, that is the smoky eyes. So for the smoky eye look, I'm gonna use the Nykaa Black Magic Gel Eyeliner, and it's in the shade Jet Black. It also comes with an eyeliner brush, which is very convenient to use. I'm gonna take the Kajal randomly and dab it on my eyelids and try to smudge evenly. Next I'm using the Intense Kohl Kajal from Plum, and it's in the shade Black Brilliance. So I'm using this kajal to tighten my eyes and also to the lower lash line as a kajal, and then smudging it out with a brush for the precise look. Now I'm using the same dark brown shade which I used as a transition color, and applying on the outer V and the lower lash line along with the kajal, and then blending it all together. After that, for the glitters, I'm using Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow, and it's the shade 06. You can also skip this step entirely if you just love normal smoky eyes, but if you just add some glam to your eyes or eye look, you can use this glitter, and it's just perfect for night glam look. Next, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and it's in the shade Sunbeam. It's perfect for night glam look because it adds such a beautiful shine to your face. Also, the particles are really mild and easy to glide to your skin, and it's just like a strobe cream. And you can also use this along with the foundation for the perfect dewy base. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Double Ended Mascara, and it just adds volume and length to my lashes. As this is a glam look, so I'm adding some falsies. For the falsies, I'm using the PAC Tapered Lash, and it's in the number 56. Also in this video, let me show you how to put on falsies. First of all, put some glue and let it dry for 15 to 30 seconds. Next, with a spoolie or your fingertips, you can put the falsies and adjust accordingly. Done. How simple is this, isn't it? Now moving on to the lips, I'm using the Nykaa Matte Luxe lipstick, and it's in the shade Bachelorette. Perfect. And this is perfect matte red lipstick. This is exactly how I draw a lip liner using a lipstick, and this trick is just to get the fuller lips. So this lip shade is not fully transfer proof, so let's make. As you can see, it claims to be matte finish, and it's non-transfer proof. Unfortunately, it does transfer a lot of products, so let's make it a transfer proof. So here's a quick hack. All you're gonna need is a tissue paper and a setting powder, and follow the steps as shown in the video, and here you go. And as you can see, it definitely works, so you can also give it a try and let me know. And lastly, setting my face with a Fix Plus from M.A.C Cosmetics, and also adding some statement jewelries to make it more stand out. So guys, this is my final look, and I hope you find this tutorial really helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you really like this look or not, and which particular hack you wanna try in your personal routine, and let me know if it works for you as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, give a moment and subscribe to my channel down here. That really motivates me to make such more interesting contents, because this is my new channel and I really need your support and love. So let's make this family really big. All the products will be down in my description box, so don't forget to check those out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Monideepa Choudhury. There I upload lots of skincare and makeup videos. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.